Today's Pwalpar vlog is entitled How to Make a Chute extension for your Troy-Bilt tiller. Now I did it with a lawnmower chute, classic rear discharge lawnmower chute that I've been pack ratting over there in the corner of the garage for 15-20 years. I knew it would come in handy one of these days. I made I'll call it an adapter out of sheet metal that expands from this size to the size of the discharge for the lawnmower, which is bigger, and it gets my chips going in the right direction to shoot them in my trailer. I made a whole series of videos on this, and you can see how I did it by watching my series of videos, but I'm giving you a look at it now as to what it looks like. I designed this wood chipper to shoot the wood chips right in the back of my garden utility trailer over there. We call it a chip collector now. I got a series of videos on how to make that. But this will conclude my how-to series on the wood chipper chute and chip collector. But there'll be one final video when I go out there and chop down a whole bunch of tree limbs and grind these things right on site without having to load the limbs in my truck and haul them to the pile and sort them and grind them up out there. Everything is going to be done right wherever you cut the limbs down. Anything to make your job easier. I think it came out looking pretty dandy, even if I ain't much of a sheet metal worker. I got it good enough. I bolted it on with bolts here. I gotta go get me some lock nuts. Pretty steady. This wood chipper makes quite a breeze, so I had to make sure it was on there steady enough. But that concludes my video, my friends. I do appreciate your support. I had a lot of helpful suggestions from my viewers and plenty of moral support. You can do it, Walter. Well, we done it. I said the top of right at the top of the tailgate on the trailer over there was 30 inches, I think it was. What do we got here? Look at that, 30 1/2 inches to the bottom of the chute. We're going to be shooting 100% of it in the trailer. If necessary, I can add a lip right here to keep it directed in the right direction if it's too wide a pattern coming out of there. But I think it's going to be alright. Thanks for tuning into my video, my friends. This is Pwalpar. Thank you one and all. Signing off.